This is your all-power portable power station, model R600. In the box is the power pack, and in the grab bag in front are your fold-out 4 solar cell panels with backstops. You can set them up, and all the cables you need to connect it. So I'm going to unpack it and demo it, show you what a great system this is. So you can see how well this comes packed. This is your manual, sits on top of your warranty, and then all of this is a heavy, thick foam padding that protects what's inside, which is, ta-da, your power pack. Look at that. Oh, baby. That's pretty nice, huh? And this is the, open the compartment up and you have your connectors, your different kind of power cables. And the front, well, there's no front, but on the side, look at that. You've got different sockets to plug in your equipment once this thing is charged, either by solar, which is 12 volt, or by plugging it into house. Here's a light here, here's a power panel, here's different kind of connectors, so you can use a standard USB or the lightning, whatever. So this is a 100 watt system out of this outlet right here. It's amazing how efficient batteries have become. They're lighter and smaller for the same amount of power. Typical of the beautiful packaging, it's this beautiful zip bag which has your 110 volt universal power cord that plugs in the back of the machine and plugs in your wall. And you can see right out of the box it's charged at 67%. 0 watts in, 0 watts out. When I plug something in, you'll see the watts going out. So I plugged in a 20-inch household box fan, pushed the green button, waited a couple seconds, and it took a couple seconds for the output to show up. It's doing 59 watts consumption, and you've got 2-hour use of that fan with that system. That's pretty interesting. So on the side is the hatch, and you can plug your wall in here. You plug your solar panel in here. So I'm going to go ahead and plug the wall in and start charging it up so I can max it out. And there's the plug. Plug it in and give it a couple seconds to cycle up, and there it goes. He's winding up now. So it's 259 watts input, 313, settle down, 67% charge. May take 39 minutes to fully charge it. I believe that's what it's reading here, but it's a nice readout, huh? Beautiful. Let's see, I think there's a light here. Yep. Ooh, that's a bright light, a blinking light. And that turns it off. Let's turn it back on again. So she's slowly charging away here. That's great. So inside this solar bag, you've got all kinds of connectors. These are snap connectors that connect to the battery, to the charger. This is more connectors. This one here connects from the solar panel to the charger, and these are universal outlets. So this is a pretty good setup. These are the cables. This goes into your solar panels, and this plugs into your charger. It's pretty foolproof. You can't mix them up. It's pretty easy to do. So unzipping this panel back here, and you see the cable that hooks to the power system. And you can see there's only one way to plug them in. The next step is unsnap the closures, and you open up your solar panel and set it up. You see in the back a little Velcro piece. These are your legs with the support. So this is the back of the solar panel. This keeps it pointed to the sun. And that's the entire system deployed. It's got your 4 panels. I just have a little bit of sun here because I'm putting in the shade, so I'm not getting full sun. But even now, if I look at the meter, it's charging 5 watts. It's a great portable system for camping, going to the beach, in case you have a storm power outage, you got to run your phones and blowers. This is a great system. Buy it now.